Are you ready to take your live streams, recordings, or virtual events to the next level? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your voice in OBS Studio on Windows 11. Perfect for anyone looking to add a fun flair to their videos, protect their privacy, or just experiment with a whole new audio identity. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your regular microphone input into anything from a robot overlord to a mysterious alien, all in real time. Let's jump right in. The easiest and most reliable way to change your voice in OBS Studio is by using a third-party voice changer application. Think of these programs like costume wardrobes for your voice. They sit between your microphone and OBS, remixing the sound before it ever reaches your stream or recording. Start by choosing and downloading a voice changer app. Some of the most popular options are Voicemod, Clownfish Voice Changer, and Morph. Most of these apps offer some free voice effects, so you can try them out before deciding whether to upgrade for more options. When picking one, consider which voices are available. Some apps specialize in comedy effects, while others focus more on realistic pitch shifts or sound enhancements. Once your chosen app is installed, it's time to set it up. Open the application and look for the input device settings. This is important. Here, you'll want to select your actual, physical microphone. That way, the app knows where to grab your raw voice signal. Next, have some fun browsing through the available voice effects. Maybe you want to sound like a robot, shift your pitch higher or lower, or even try something totally out there, like a monster or a cartoon character. As you select different effects, most apps will give you a preview, so you can hear yourself before locking in your choice. Now, here's a small technical detail that's crucial. Once you've activated a voice effect, the app will create a virtual device in your Windows sound settings. Usually, it's labeled something like Voicemod Virtual Audio Device, or Clownfish Microphone. You can double-check this by right-clicking the sound icon in your system tray and opening the audio device list. If you see the new virtual device, you're on track. With the voice changer configured, let's move over to OBS Studio. Open OBS and head straight to the Settings menu. Click on Audio, and under either Global Audio Devices or Mic Auxiliary Audio, you'll need to change the input source. Instead of your regular microphone, select the virtual audio device that was created by your voice changer app. This tells OBS to use your newly transformed voice for all its audio input. Hit OK to confirm your changes, and you're set. At this point, your microphone input in OBS will run through the voice changer. I recommend doing a quick test recording or starting a private stream. Speak normally and listen back. You should hear your modified voice effect coming through. Don't worry if you need to adjust effects or swap inputs. Sometimes, getting the setup just right can take a few moments, especially if you have multiple audio devices. And that's it. You've transformed your voice in OBS Studio with just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want tips on more advanced voice effects. If you're interested in OBS, audio setups, and more streaming tricks, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and have fun sounding like whoever or whatever you want online.